I'm going to show you how to make money in 60 seconds. 1. Create a ClickBank account. 2. Go to Marketplace on ClickBank. 3. Click on the magnifying glass. 4. Click on Resort Buy. 5. Click on Gravity. 6. Pick a niche. 7. Click on Promote. 8. Generate hoplink and copy hoplink. 9. Go to bit.ly.com. 10. Paste the hoplink. 11. Go back to the product you're selling on ClickBank. 12. Click on the affiliate page link. 13. Banners and images. 14. Go to your Instagram and click post. 15. Upload the image you just downloaded. 16. Type a questions out. 17. Also state that the answer is in your bio. 18. Go back to bit.ly.com and get your link you created. 19. Go to your profile and in the bio. 20. Type this, the answer is in this link. 21. Paste link inside of bio. 22. Click save. 24. Time to sit back and make money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Click on any of the 2 videos to make more money.